cap deserves a feather more for Akogun Tunde J Afolabi, MFR, on his award of a Doctor of Science honoris causa at the First Technical University, Ibadan. The honor is compatible with your elegant personage, and your library is waiting for many more. Yours is a cap that deserves the privilege of countless feathers. Your bag deserves the treat of the doctoral crest. When you train a child, a family is trained. Educate a tender mind. You liberate her world and the larger globe. This is what the Josephus does, empowering our citadels to build their dreams. This is how you empower your fatherland, Akogun. You use your story to enrich her book. Yet, amid the deafening applause, which ushers your feet onto the doctoral podium, a question rears its multiple heads. Who will save the pillars of our fallen schools? Without jogging words, you say you will unrelentingly lead the vanguard of the unrelenting rich. We ask why your faith in the outsider's cause. You say it's better to help the cause of the unknown child than burden the future with unknown guns. Yet we ask, why do you invest so much love in alien children? You say because illiteracy is far costlier than any fee. We say the road to the youth's future is bumpy. You say good education will scale all hurdles, that you will put their dreams in a private jet.
LÁÚ ЭRЭBẸ, ЭRЭBẸ LÁÚ, ayé lé o, LÁÚ ЭRЭBÄ o, ЭRЭBÄ LÁÚ, àwa mọ̀lẹ́ àwa ìyá, ìwà rẹ̀ ló gbé wa wá o, LÁÚ ЭRЭBÄ o.
You are the reason every student is inspired to be a special scholar, Akogun, because of the punctual manner from the Josephus's hours. But how in your super executive schedule do you have the time to chancellor two varsities? You say because the passion is glowing, your heart is larger than the needs of a dozen schools. Because you are the reason, because you are the secret. Because you are the reason our citadel runs without strikes. Because you are the reason the smart board takes the place of the dusty chalk. Your cap deserves the honor of another feather. Your bag deserves the treat of the doctoral crest.